everybody, it's Tanya Atomic coming to you from my bedroom because my computer is still broken. So I'm doing an unboxing of the Allure beauty box. I only have a few more of these left. April, I think, is my final month. So it comes with this little booklet telling you what's inside, but I'm not going to peek yet. And then, let's see. Oh, it also comes with this, I think this is a gift to get nail stickers. Yeah, so I'll have to look at this more, but it looks like it's a coupon for nail stickers. Okay, so other stuff in here. First thing is Saturday Skin, and this is refining peel gel. So this looks like a face mask from Saturday Skin right here. I still have some face masks I'm going through, but that's okay. I can use that after. And then the Beauty Crop Blush Duo is right here, and it looks like it's got kale, aronia berry, pomegranate, and papaya. So it's got natural ingredients, and there it is. So it looks like there's a powder on one side and a cream on the other, and it says that on here too. Okay, the next thing we have here is Super Moisture Lipstick by True and Luscious. Right in here. That's a nice kind of neutral color. Sort of a nudie mauve, perhaps. And then we've got this little teeny tiny beauty sponge, which maybe I'll use that this weekend. I'm going away on a film shoot this weekend for a movie that I don't know what the title is. It's an anthology film, anthology horror film, but maybe I'll use this. That is cute. I like the little case it comes in, little diamond case. And this is from Base Blue. And then we've got this little pot. Was it L'Occitane? This is L'Occitane. I don't know how to say it. L'Occitane en Provence. Immortelle Divine Cream. So this is a moisturizing cream. Maybe I'll take this too on my weekend. Oh, and then you get a coupon. So that's everything in here. What do you think? Do you get the Allure box? Let me know. Did you get different stuff? I don't know if they customize it or not. Anyway, that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.